Timon, I should tell you I got a rumbly in my tumbly.
Who's gonna blow?
Let's fly, Dumbo!
I can't smell anything anyway.
Go! Go!
You don't want to go out there.
Think you can do better?
I know I can.
Is that all you got? That was hilarious, Pumbaa!
Go! Go! Move it, you big! Go! Hey, what's the foot? Ugh.
Is that a problem? Oh, gee, Pumbaa, did you have to?
Well, he kicked me in my stomach.
It wasn't hard to miss. Did you say something?
Well, not exactly. Tee.
Time for the most powerful kung fu of all. Warthog is really stinky technique.
Hey, Timon, a seat just opened up next to me. Oh, Bunga, I'm so proud I could... Oops. Sorry.
Zuri, let's get you back to Pride Rock.
We're out of here. I better go assemble the rest of my team.
Wait, Kion! The Lion Guard needs to stick together!
Was it something I said?
Pumbaa, it's time for the secret weapon.
Secret weapon? Oh, good idea, Timon!
Oh, what's that smell?
Captain Finch, get him!
Good night, Pumbaa.
Good night, Timon.
I think I'm gonna go for a walk.
The secret weapon. Good one, Pumbaa.
Oops, sorry.
Every minute on the minute. You're a regular gastronomic old faithful, Pumbaa.
I should sell tickets. I know how to...
Did I say anything? No. Go already.
I don't do so well in crowds. Maybe we better go around.
Don't you know the shortest distance between me and my dream home is a straight line? Follow me!
Oh!
Ow, careful. Goodness.
Make room, make room! Watch it, Twiggy. I'm walking here!
Timon, there's something I gotta tell you.
Pumbaa, Pumbaa, Pumbaa.
We'll have plenty of time to chat once we settle in.
I could really use a rest stop.
Don't worry, you'll get your second wind.
Oh, I got a really bad feeling.
It'll pass! Trust me, it'll pass!
Oh, look! The riders are bowing. Ooh, we better bow, too.
Look, sire, how they kneel before the royal sun.
So I guess that's your special power, huh? What a weapon!
You mean, you don't mind?
Are you kidding? It was the gas.
Well, I don't like to toot my own horn.
Yeah, that's probably for the best. Let's go, Pumbaa.
Lead the way.